Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download and install Likee application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have. But just so you know, this video will be made for iPhone users and will be done in the App Store. So when you're in the App Store, iPhone users, we have, as you can see, some tabs here. So we have the Today tab, we have the Games tab, we have the Apps, we have the Arcade, and at the end we have the Search, where we can have the search bar in the top of the screen, as you can see. So here, what you need to, of course, go and type in is Likee. So Likee and click Enter. Then, as you can see, guys, we have some options here, but the option that we need to choose is the Likee app, which is the first one. Click on it, and here you can see everything. You can see the rating, you can see the age, the chart, developer, the language, and the size of the application. When we go down, you can also, as you can see the ratings and reviews. So you can see the reviews of people that were writing here. You can see what's new in the application, etc., etc. But to download this application, of course, you need to click on the blue button, which is the Get button, and then double click to install, and wait, of course, for the application to install. While, of course, it is installing, you can, of course, go and check out some other things. So you can go and basically check out the reviews. Is this actually for you? You can see the pictures of the application also, actually, how it actually looks and everything like that. Of course, when the application has been downloaded, you will have the open button, blue button here, and you can go and download it. You can go and open it, sorry. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.